Hello everyone, I am Momita Deb and you are watching Doodle Moments. Welcome to another unboxing video. But before starting today's unboxing, I would like to take a moment to say thanks to my sister who sent me this amazing and thoughtful gift on my birthday. So this is the mystery box by kitabe.com. So they are India's one of the leading booksellers, and I would say that they have the huge collection of old books, library books, first edition and whatnot. You can click on the description box to get their website link. Now let's talk about the box. The first thing which I got in the box is the welcome letter by kitabe.com. They have also provided me some discount code which I can use on my next purchase. Along with that, they have sent some cute bookmarks. The next thing which they have sent is this printed happy birthday wish. I believe my sister had asked them to add this message, so yeah, they have sent it, and this is again very cute. So basically from kitabe.com you can purchase books. They have new books, they have old books, and also they have some reused books as well. So basically you can adopt old books. So as you can see in this box, it is almost like all the books are very old. Like I believe these all are the first edition of each and every copy, and this is one thing which is very precious to have for a book lover. The first copy, that old library vibes, is always something very aesthetic for me. First book of this box is Fortune's Rocks. So this is from the romance genre, and if you google about this book you will get mixed reviews. Like, there are like average reviews, but I'm really very excited to read it because this is a very old book, and I believe the story is also amazing. So yeah. Next book is the famous The Forgotten Garden. I think there is a movie related to this book also. I am not sure, but I think there is a movie. This is from the historical fiction genre, and I know this is one of the famous book, like the famous book. So yeah, again very excited to read it. Next we have The Pact. So this is, I think, mixed fiction, but yeah, mostly it's a romance fiction. If any one of you have already read this book, then please let me know in the comment section below. Like, I really don't know about this book, so if you can give me some insight, then that would be great. Next we have a thriller, and this is Port Mortuary. So this is a like a sequel of some series, so I am not sure how much I will get it from this single book, but yeah, again this is very new to me and I am very excited. Next we have a famous mystery novel, which is The Interpretation of Murder. So this is really a very good novel. I have read reviews about this book, so most probably from this mystery box I am going to read this book first. This is not a sequel of anything or something like that. This is the first book by this author. So yeah, so this is definitely going to be my next read. Next we have the famous A Spot of Bother. So this is one of the famous and the bestseller book of all time, and this is from the psychological fiction genre. If you are looking for something from this genre, then this book can be a good pick. You can start like reading this book first from this genre, and then like this is an amazing book. Next we have another romance fiction. This is Reflected in You. Again something very new to me, like I haven't read this series or anything, so yeah. Next is Alone on a White Sea. So this is for children's and this is from historical fiction, which I really like. I don't know why I love this kind of children's book, because the stories are like kind of a nostalgia for me. So yeah, I think this is like one of my favorite book from this box. Last but not least, we have the star of the show. This is The Dark Half by Stephen King. So this is from fiction genre, but it is from horror, which is not at all a cup of tea for me, but this time I am going to read it. I am really very excited to read a horror book. I don't know how much scary it will be, but I will read it. And also, if you are a horror movie lover, then you can watch the movie as well. The name is The Dark Half, and if you're watching, then please let me know in the comment section below that how much scary it was, so that I can plan for my survival. Overall, the book quality of this box is pretty amazing. Like, I am happy with the books. I love old books, and this is definitely something which is very very close to my heart. On that note, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Tell me about your favorite books from this range in the comment section below, and also if you're new over here, then please consider subscribing. Take care, keep reading, and I'll see you all on my next video.